Hello students, Ncert Solutions, Class 12 Physics, Chapter number 2, Electrostatic Potential and Capacitance. Question number 5. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has a capacitance of 8 picofarad. Given that 1 picofarad is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 farad. What will be the capacitance if the distance between the plates is reduced by half and the space between them is filled with a substance of dielectric constant 6. In this question given that a parallel plate capacitor, here they suppose parallel plate capacitor, two plates A and B, and this insulated stand and second plate connected with earth, and this positive plate and the second is negatively charged plate, and separation between them is a small d. And we know that the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D. क्वेश्चन में कहता है कि दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में एयर, एंड एयर के केस में दिस कैपेसिटेंस इज डिनोटेड बाय C naught, and given that this capacitance is equal to 8 picofarad. Now, the capacitance on inserting the dielectric slab with dielectric constant K is equal to 6, and reducing the distance between the plates is given by, क्वेश्चन में कहता है यदि इन दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच का सेपरेशन reduced to half, here this separation d dash, and this d dash is equal to d by 2. This again positively charged and this negatively charged plate, and the space between the plates, अब दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में एक dielectric substance, and the dielectric constant is K is equal to 6. Now the capacitance is given by this C dash is equal to this K into A epsilon naught upon D dash. फॉर्मूले का हमने डेरिवेशन किया थ्योरी पार्ट में. C dash is equal to K into A epsilon naught upon D dash. This K is the dielectric constant and D dash is equal to D by 2. This K into A epsilon naught upon D dash की वैल्यू रखते हैं. This is D by 2. Now this C dash can be written as this 2 into K into this A epsilon naught upon D, and here this equation number 1. Now from equation 1 this C dash is equal to this 2 into K. K is given 6 and this A epsilon naught upon D from equation 1 is this is 8. On solving this is 96 picofarad. So this is the answer of this question. Question में पहले कहता है कि air when the between the plates दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में एयर है तो उस टाइम कैपेसिटेंस 8 पिकोफैराड, और यदि इन दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक सब्सटेंस प्लेस करें और दोनों प्लेट्स का सेपरेशन हम रेड्यूस टू हाफ करते हैं तो इसकी कैपेसिटेंस कितनी होगी। तो हमने इस फॉर्मूले का डेरिवेशन किया था, दिस सी डैश इज इक्वल टू के इंटू ए एप्सिलॉन नॉट अपॉन डी डैश, दिस के इज द डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट। नाउ ऑन पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू डी बाई 2 and on solving this 2k into a epsilon naught upon d, now on putting the values this c dash is equal to 2 into k is 6 and this a epsilon naught upon d is 8 picofarad, then on solving this is 96 picofarad. तो this is the solution. आशा करता हूँ कि आपको समझ में आया है। थैंक यू।